Hi there, it's Jonathan from JPL, and today we're going to be showing you how to set up the JPL-Explore with a desk phone using the headset port, and for an example we'll be using the SNOM D715. Firstly, take the headset out of the packaging. You'll have the JPL-Explore base station, headband, boom module, power cable and RJ11 cord in the box. Connect the microphone boom arm to the headband as shown in the quick start guide. Make sure your phone system is set to headset and the speaker volume is set to high. Take the RJ11 cable and plug one end into the telephone port at the back of the base station. You can identify this by the telephone icon above it. Take the other end of the RJ11 cord and plug into the headset port located in the back of your desk phone system. If your desk phone does not have a headset port, plug the telephone cord into the handset port and the handset into the back of the base station. Take the power cord out of the box and attach the correct pin adapter for your country. Plug the DC jack of the power cord into the back of the base station. This will turn on your base station. You can now place the headset on the cradle. So you are now connected to your desk phone, which means that when you take the headset off of the cradle, the green light will activate showing that you are now on hook, so you can hear a dial tone. And when you place that back onto the base, that will go off, which means that the headset is now on charge. If you do not have a dial tone, there is a compatibility switch on the side of the base station with a 1 and a 2. It will be on position 1, however, you can switch to 2 and check for a dial tone. So if you want to adjust the volume control, you can do so on the headset, and you can also do so on the base station. You can change the speaker volume by pushing the volume switch at the top of the headset to the left or right. You can mute the headset by pressing the volume switch down shortly or pressing the mute button on the base station. You can also adjust the microphone volume using the controls on the back of the base station. So if you're looking for more information on connectivity, for example EHS, USB or Bluetooth, then there'll be more videos available to you online. For more information on data sheets and quick start guides, then they're available on our website. But if you've got any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact our team and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you and see you on the next video.